All right, so for this example, we're factoring using the difference of squares and then solving. So as we look at the steps, first of all, we factor the equation. So let's go ahead and do that. We would open two parentheses. And if you remember, each one gets a plus and a minus sign. Actually, I'm going to go ahead with minus and plus. It doesn't really matter if you do plus or minus, just whatever you prefer. When you factor your x's, you take the square root of x, that's x and x. Square root of 49 is 7 and 7. So these are your two factors. Make sure you set the equation equal to 0. That's your second step. So set it equal to 0. Now, after we're done with the second step, we need to set each factor equal to 0. So that will give us x minus 7 equals 0, or x plus 7 equals 0. Then we would just have to solve for our variable x, and that's what our fourth step is, solve each equation. So in this case, we would add 7 to this side, add 7 to this side. Those will cancel, and we will end up with x equals positive 7. Bring our or down. And as for the next one, here we would actually have to subtract 7 from both sides, because this right here is positive. So that way, these cancels out, and we would end up with x equals negative 7. And those will be my two solutions.